Okay, welcome back. Now, this is the time where we are going to set up your own secret affiliate machine and your own online business step by step, okay? So this is actually the practical implementation of getting you from where you are right now to having an online business which makes you passive income online within 14 days, okay? So the very first step, if you go back to the resource tab we talked about in the previous lecture, where we have all the resources that we need in order for you to successfully complete this course. If you don't know how to get there, go back to the lecture before where I explained how you can access all of these resources. And once you opened up this page, you can also bookmark it in Google Chrome so you can access the page throughout the course, okay? So the very first step, as we said, okay, we have our strategic system, which is this optimized funnel that is basically built for you. So you can literally copy my own business and put it to work for your success, okay? But, of course, our strategic system needs a platform to run on, okay? And that platform, of course, as we talked about, is ClickFunnels, okay? So the very first step is going to be for you to create your own ClickFunnels account, okay? So in the resource tab, go to step number 1 and go to click here to start your free 14-day trial, okay? So the cool thing about ClickFunnels is as they have a 14-day free trial, okay? So I know it might be intimidating, to sign up for a software service which costs $97 a month, and you're like, oh, I don't even have that money, and I don't know how to do it properly, and but my goal here and the goal of this course is to basically get you to results and to profitable results within 14 days, okay? So you have 14 days to try this out completely for free, okay? And if you run into any questions or have, need any support of any kind, please leave all of your questions and issues you might have in the Q&A or in the Facebook group we set up, okay? Because I want you to have results, because at the end of the day, that's what you came here for, okay? So, and if you feel like at any point in time that, you kind of stuck and you don't move along, okay? And even after asking questions and, getting me to help you, and if you feel like, okay, this is not for me, this is not the right thing to do or not my business, you can always cancel within those 14 days, right, without being charged, which is pretty cool. So give it a try. Go to step number 1 and go to click here to start your free 14-day trial. And then you will be directed to this page, which is the simple sign-up page for ClickFunnels. And you will see this simple form where you will need to put in your email address, okay, and create a password for your ClickFunnels account. So pretty simple. Now I'm going to, in this course, create a separate own new ClickFunnels account with which we're going to work through this course. So everything you see on my screen is the same as when you set it up, okay? So basically we're taking a new ClickFunnels account from 0 to results within this course, okay? And you just need to follow the steps step by step. And it's just that simple, okay? So I will put in my email address and create a password for this new account, and I see you in a bit, okay? Okay, so once you put in your email and chose a password, you're gonna click on Start My Free 14-Day Trial right here, okay? And it's going to submit, and then you'll see this page. Your free trial awaits, okay? So the next step you're going to do is to put in your credit card number, so ClickFunnels can verify that if you stick with ClickFunnels, they know where to charge you, okay? And don't be intimidated. As I told you, if you feel like this is not for you, you cannot afford it after 14 days, or you haven't seen results, even though I tried to help you, and even though you went through all these steps, you can cancel anytime, okay? And you won't be charged. So put in your credit card number and all the details, okay? And then click on Activate My Account. I'm going to do that right now and blur everything out, of course. and then I'm going to see you once we're inside of our ClickFunnels dashboard. Okay, fantastic. Now, when you put in your credit card details and everything and click on Activate My Account, you will be directed to this page, which is basically just like a setup thing that ClickFunnels provides you with to kind of get to know ClickFunnels and, you know, get a good head start. Now, if you like, you can go through these videos. This is Russell Brunson. He's the owner of the company and the founder. And if you like, you know, you can go through his videos and get like some cool bonuses, you know, giving you a head start. But for our specific method we're trying to set up here, we don't need it, okay? So however you like, if you do not like to watch the videos, which is completely fine, just go here and say, no thanks, I create my own funnels just fine, okay? So you click on that, and there we go, okay? So we are basically in our dashboard for ClickFunnels, and right away it asks us, do you want to build a funnel? You know, how do you want to build a funnel? And it might, you know, seem a bit strange to you because you haven't seen it before, but you can just X this out, okay? And as you can see, this is the dashboard basically. We are right now in the funnel section, right? A funnel is basically just like the secret affiliate machine. It's a funnel. It's funneling people from point A to point B. And of course, because this is a new account, we don't have any funnels yet, okay? Now, if you go here, you can see ClickFunnels, funnels, contacts, sales, and all this stuff that we don't need to care about just now. And on the very right-hand side, you see your profile and all of these options you can choose from, okay? But don't worry about those just now, because that's basically step number one done, okay? You created your ClickFunnels account. You are in the 14-day free trial, and now the clock is ticking, of course. And we have 14 days to get you from point A to point B, okay, and get your results. And I'm going to do my best to do that for you, okay? Now, that's it for this lecture. This is how to create your ClickFunnels account. And in the next lecture, we are going to talk about how to actually import the secret affiliate machine, my very own business. I've shown you in the lecture before. How to import that into your ClickFunnels account so you basically own the whole thing, okay? So I'll see you in the next lecture.